Imagine a planet so hot, but so unbelievably hot, that even time can't cool it down. A world where heat is constant, even in total darkness. Sounds impossible, right? But this place actually exists. And it's blowing scientists' minds. How can a planet just ignore the laws of physics? Is it hiding something we haven't figured out yet? Get comfortable, because today you're about to discover the planet that never cools down, and maybe shouldn't even exist. Let's get right to it. The planet's name is WASP-18 b. Doesn't sound exciting, right? But don't let the boring name fool you. This thing acts like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It orbits its star so closely that one full year on this planet lasts less than a single Earth day, about 23 hours. Now, being that close to a star is bound to heat things up. But this planet clocks in at around 4,900 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,700 degrees Celsius. For context, molten lava here on Earth is about 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, what we call hell, this planet calls room temperature. That would be wild enough. But what really shook the scientific community is that the planet's night side is just as hot as its day side. Wait, what? Picture this. You toast a slice of bread and expect the other side to be a little less crispy, right? That's basically what scientists expected here. But instead, WASP-18 b is like a slice of bread that caught fire on both sides. The heat just doesn't drop, doesn't fade, doesn't spread like it should. So naturally, scientists were like, what the heck is going on? See, in gas giants like Jupiter, strong winds usually carry heat from the day side over to the night side. But on WASP-18 b, the air seems still, like eerily motionless. And on top of that, its atmosphere isn't just hot, it's weird. Like, we don't even have a name for this weird. So now let's think, if the heat isn't just coming from the star, where's it coming from? Some scientists believe the planet is being stretched and squeezed by the gravity of its star. Kinda like cosmic Play-Doh. This pulling and tugging generates heat deep inside. That process is called tidal heating, and we've actually seen it on some of Jupiter's moons. But even that doesn't fully explain this planet's endless burn. Another idea? The atmosphere might be filled with metals that act like thermal mirrors, letting heat in, but trapping it inside. Like a planetary pressure cooker. And then there's the wildcard theory. Maybe the planet has unknown chemical reactions happening deep inside, generating continuous heat. Whatever it is, WASP-18 b just refuses to cool down. Here's the thing, physics is full of rules. And one of the biggest ones says that anything hot eventually cools down. Period. Except, WASP-18 b doesn't care about that. It keeps absorbing heat, but never really loses it. It's like the planet is stuck in an eternal thermal loop. This is driving scientists crazy. Because if this planet can do that, how many other worlds out there are breaking the rules, too? Some researchers are starting to admit it. WASP-18 b might not just be a weird one-off. It could actually be the first of an entirely new class of planets. A type of world that doesn't fit our categories. Not rocky, not a gas giant, not a hybrid. Something new. Something alien. And that changes the game. Because if planets like this are real and common, we might have to rewrite our entire understanding of how planets form, evolve, and behave. It's like we've been reading the universe's instruction manual, but skipped a whole chapter. If you think this is just science trivia for nerds, think again. When scientists study planets like WASP-18 b, they actually learn more about Earth's climate, too. See, the way heat moves through an atmosphere, especially in extreme conditions, helps us build better climate models. And yes, that includes predictions about global warming right here at home. So understanding why this planet never cools down could help us figure out how to keep our own planet from overheating. It's like the universe is sending us a cosmic warning, and we'd be smart to listen. Some people, and not just conspiracy theorists, have floated a wild idea. What if this planet isn't natural? What if it's an ancient machine? Or part of a civilization so advanced, they can control a planet's entire heat cycle? Yeah, it's a stretch. But hey, every mystery starts out sounding impossible, until it's not. Here's the good news. We're not flying blind anymore. The James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space telescope we've ever built, is now watching WASP-18b like a hawk. It's analyzing the planet's atmosphere, measuring its radiation, checking out its magnetic field, you name it. And early data confirms, this planet is just plain bizarre. More discoveries are coming. And who knows? We might find other planets just like it, or even weirder. WASP-18b isn't just a strange planet. It's a big, burning reminder that the universe doesn't play by our rules. It makes its own, and maybe, just maybe, it's trying to tell us something. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think this is just science we haven't figured out yet? Or is there something deeper going on here? Let me know in the comments.